Hey guys, welcome to AA Steam Series. In this video, I thought that I've been showing you some pretty cool things I can do with paper. I'm talking about origami. And this time I thought, why not do something famous but also common, also known as bum 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 bum. It has nothing with Star Wars. It's a paper airplane, yeah. And it looks cooler than a normal paper airplane. So yeah, pretty amazing, right? Whee! I don't fart. Okay, so before I tell you what we're gonna do and how we're gonna do it, today's fact number. What am I gonna do? I have no idea. 11! Just got my face as a finger, because I don't know what else to do. 11! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Good. 11! Okay. So, it's a pretty okay fact. So this is it. There are at least a dozen national origami associations around the world. An association means clubs. Okay, let's get started. Now it's time for me to show you how to make this super cool and amazing a jet, I would call it actually. It looks pretty much like a jet. So let's get to it. First fold. Bring this edge to this edge. And fold. And make sure it's nice and aligned. Trace sharply. Sharp. Is it aligned? No, it's not. Let me make it better. Yeah, much better. Now, unfold. Next, bring this edge to the center crease line. So bring this edge to center crease line. Right over here. And crease sharply. Creasing. And repeat. Bring it edge to center crease line. Then make a nice point. This one is not exactly right, so it may not look too good. That's why I'm fixing it. There we go. And now I'm going to short this side. And crease sharply. Now this is what we're going to do, and watch carefully. We're going to bring this edge and align it with this. Bringing this edge and aligning it exactly with that. Okay. I don't know what's wrong with my folds today. There we go. And repeat on the other side. There. So it should look like this. Now we're going to take that and fold it up like this. make sure it's nice and aligned. So I'm gonna start off with this side. It looks like I already made a nice point right there. And slowly gonna work my way across. Work my way across. And that one can be aligned, so we can do that. There we go. Ta-da! Look like this. So it's like that, and I folded it up. Okay, now here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna bring this all the way up to here, like that. So it was down like this, and I brought this edge to this center crease line. Bring it all the way up and crease. Repeat the same thing on the other side, bringing this edge to this crease line. Bringing it all the way up to the top. And crease sharply. Now we're gonna flip it over. I'm going to turn it so this open flap is on our right. So this is my right. And make sure it's nice and crisp. Want this fold to be really good. Now, you see this point, bring it all the way to this center crease line. So there should already be a crease line right there. Now bring it all the way up. So bring that point all the way to the center crease line. So it's like that. Then brought it all the way up. Like this. And then I brought this side all the way down. Like this. Like that, brought it down. And press. Because the paper got thick. And I mean thick, I mean really thick. Make sure it stays down nice and tight. This is what we're going to do now. So you see that crease line? Now fold it in half. Smush. Done. Fold it and smash it in half. Yeah, don't smash it in half. Yeah, don't. Now there's just a few more steps until we're done with our jets. Okay. Now this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna bring this all the way up so you can make a point right there. So it's like that, bring it all the way up so you can make a point right there. And bring it up as far as you can. Because right here is where you're probably gonna stop, because then the paper is not gonna get pulled up anymore. So yeah. Now repeat the same step on the other side. Bring it up as far as you can. And then crease. Make sure to put nice points everywhere. Pointy points. Okay, it should look like this. And we're actually almost done. So let's just flatten these out, make them nice and flat. There's actually just one more step. How can there be just one more step? Yes, there's only one more step. Now you gotta open it up like this. So you see those right there. So it turns into a diamond sort of. Diamond right there. Now what we're gonna do is lift this up like this. So the diamond sort of pops out, you would say. Then fold it in half like this. And smush. And it should look like this. So I'll show you what I did again. So I opened it up like this, and then pushed it down, and started to close this up, and fold it like that. And this is what it looks like from the side. Now, dum 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 dum. Okay, for some reason that Star Wars theme song is stuck in my head. And ta-da! It's ready to fly! So that's the tail of the plane, wings, and the rest of the plane. So yeah, pretty much you just made a paper jet. Yeah, not a paper airplane, but a jet. How cool is that? Doesn't it look like a jet? Tell me. If it does, click a thumbs up. So, I got the one that I threw previously back, and this one, the one that I made just now. So yeah, I hope you enjoy making these origami jets. And just think, Faye, you turned something super common but also super fun and famous to something this cool. This cool, I tell you, this cool. It's amazing, right? Look at them. And it crashed. I really hope you enjoyed this video and also follow along as I made it. I hope you subscribe and stay tuned. Until next time, see you later. Bye-bye.